Mom, we got you a package.
What? This came for me today?
Yep.
My pink package, my favorite.
It's up by the gate.
Yes.
We're gonna go ride our hoverboard.
Okay. Yeah, love you too. Have a great time.
Bye.
You know what this means. And here it is. I'm so excited. Another Nadine West package. Welcome to my channel. My name's Bree, if you guys aren't familiar with me. And I just started these unbagging videos because they were just too fun to watch, and I like surprises just as much as the next person. So let's see what we got today. Nadine West is a company that ships you clothing items in your style after you take the quiz. You just pay $10 in shipping up front, and then after you figure out what you want, they charge you for that. Super easy, super simple. People that are busy, don't want to go shopping, this is for you. Alright, first package. They have cute wrapping too. This is a cute sweater that looks like it has holes in the side. Don't worry, I'm going to try everything on so you can see what it looks like. Inside here should be the packing slip with all the prices. This off-the-shoulder mauve retails at $24.49. So everything is between $7 and like 35 bucks. So it's definitely affordable. Next we have something purple, which I love purple. Ooh, a beanie. It's the first time I've ever received a hat. Let's see how that looks. Alright. This is soft. Fancy looking. Aha. Alright. Skirt. And that skirt, oh, maybe it's a dress. $29.99. We'll have to try both ways. This hat is $16.99. Pretty fun because I like purple. Next item, oh, looks like a little plaid cardigan. Has these cute little ruffly sleeves. Who doesn't need more plaid in their life? The plaid is $19.49. And ooh, a $20 gift card to Nadine West. I wonder if I can give that to a friend or, I don't know, maybe one of you. Last, but certainly not least, floral, long sleeve, very lightweight, cute shirt for spring. Can't wait to try that one on. We are looking at $19.49 for that one. Ooh, and some gloves to go along with this super fun hat in beige. And these are $13.99. Ooh, hoo, hoo, risque. Oh, this must be the dress. Don't worry, I'm going to list all the prices and the actual items down below. Valentine's Day, hey, hey, take me somewhere. That'll be fun. I see the 90s calling my name. Do you get like a little Gwen Stafani? That's how I'm feeling right now. Can't wait to try this stuff on for you guys. And we will be back soon. Alright, sweater number one. Mauve with armhole cutouts. Alright, paired with some jeans. Kind of awkward, if I'm being honest. Not really into that. But you know, it's a cute color and it's super soft. On to the next. Alright, next up is this mint floral quarter sleeve shirt. Has some little button detailing. Has a little pocket. It's very see-through, so I put a cardigan underneath it, but I don't know, not really my thing. I'm more into dark, but perfect for spring. It's a maybe. Alright, here is the cardigan that is navy and red. Not too bad. Got the cute little scrunch detail to it. It's just kind of a rough material. But other than that, it's kind of cute. Just to throw on with white or black or red, navy. This is where it hits in the back. Alright. Alright, next up we have our 90s Clueless type leggings, jeggings. I don't know, they're pants, they have pockets, have some cool zipper detailing to them. That's what they look like from the back. My only issue is they're kind of long because I'm a short person, but you know, they're kind of fun. They're kind of different. Kind of like them. See, I think we have the floral skirt and that leopard dress coming up, so stay tuned if you're still watching. Alright, anyone want a salsa? That's how this skirt makes me feel. See, we got floral print, all these cute little ruffly bits. Very form-fitting. But I don't see myself wearing this anytime soon. But I still have hope for the leopard dress. Fingers crossed. Okay, I spoke too soon. This dress is actually super duper cute. And it feels amazing. I am kind of obsessed with it. Look how cute all this detailing is. The ruching. I'm into it, Nadine. I'm into it. Definitely a score. Some heels. I got Valentine's Day in the bag. Husband's lucky. Okay. Nadine, I really wanted to love this bag. I did. But I'd say that this one was not my favorite. Not compared to the last one, where I kept almost everything. But you know, not everything can be a winner. And that's the best thing about this service. You keep what you like, and then you get to send the rest back. And wait till your next magical surprise pink package. So to go over and order, again, with the prices correctly this time, and sizes if you're curious. That super soft mauve top, that is $24.49, and that is in a size small. Most of my tops are in small, and bottoms are either small or medium. This cute little plaid, which is the Kamila navy, $26.99, and this is a medium. This floral shirt, which they're calling mint blue. Okay, mint blue. That one runs for $15.49, and again, that's a size small. The skirt here says red and black. Okay, there's red and black on there, I suppose. And that is $14.49. Our cool plaid 90s legging jeggings, they retail for $19.49, and these are a medium. And my favorite, this dress called a Kailey, is $29.99, but I think it is 5,000,000% worth it. The mittens that are fingerless, they are $16.99, one size, obviously. And then your pom-pom hat, which I might not keep because I crochet my own hats, but someone else may need this thing. And that is $13.99. Now the gift card I was reading more about, you purchase it for $8.99. It's a $20 gift card, and you're able to give that to your friends or family so they can try Nadine West. So all in all, I would say that this bag was alright. Not my faves, but if I got a Valentine's Day outfit out of it, I'd say it's a win. I hope to see you guys next time, and enjoy. Take care.